MSc Part 1 Semester 2 Paper 3 Organic Chemistry. In that Unit 4 Animal Spectroscopy and Mass Spectroscopy. Okay. In the last lecture sees chemical shift, some of the hybridization of the carbon atom, and in this lecture is the first point is the functionalized hydrocarbons. Okay. Sum the alpha, beta and gamma effect. At the final the methyl substituent is 0 alpha effect, 1 beta effect or 2 gamma effect atom away from the carbon atom to interest of also the chemical shift and remarkable additive in nature, and thus it becomes possible to predict with a reasonable accuracy the expected position of the chemical shift for the carbon in alkane whose spectrum has been reported. So the compared to the alpha effect or downfield shift is exerted by the replacement of a proton by CH3. The alpha effect exerted by the polar substituent are the quite large due to the inductive effect, and inspection of a value given in a some table that the OH is the alpha effect cause a large downfield shift of the carbon to which it is the attached, and however the beta and gamma effect are about the same as for the methyl group. Note that the substituent in the alpha or beta effect is generally deshielded the carbon nucleophiles, since iodine is the exception, and but in the one in the gamma position is a shielding. Thus the approximate shift for the carbon atom of a derivative derived from the alkane can be predicted by properly applying the correlation, and the chemical shift value for the different carbon atom in the hydrocarbon may be the taken from and calculated from the equation 1 and 2 is given, and one can therefore calculate the chemical shift position, for example the C1 of 1,3 dichloropropane from the value 15.8 and for the methyl carbon of a propane, and the adding the functional group increments for the chlorine from some. Similarly one the calculate the C13 sheet for the 1 chlorobutane, and in pentanol the C13 shift are calculated by the considering the attachment of a OH substituent internally and not terminally to the linear chain of a pentane, and the point of the attachment is labeled alpha corresponding to the C3 of a pentane, which has the shift value of 30.4.7 to which the correlation from is made, and thus the increment of plus 4 plus 41 is added to the 34.7 to get the C13 shift position at delta 75.8 for the carbon in a pentanol to which the OH group is attached. Thus all the calculated shift position obtained is in a agreement which are the observed value. Then second is the hybridization of a carbon. First आपण काय बघितलं functionalization hydrocarbon. Next is the hybridization of a carbon. The hybridization of carbon atom has the most significant effect when the terminal shift is the sp3 hybridized carbon atom absorbed at the high field is a 0 to 60 ppm downfield from TMS, and sp2 carbon at a low field is a nearly 110 to 200 ppm downfield from the TMS, and the sp carbon is the intermediate use the 65 to 90 ppm. Thus the sp2 hybridized carbon atom in the alkene and the benzoyl hydrocarbon appear in the same general region of the C13 NMR spectrum. Therefore the proton of a NMR is a more useful in a marking to distinguish between the two type of unsaturation. In exception show that the signals of sp3 hybridized carbon are found upfield, and the sp3 hybridized carbon over the 100 ppm downfield from them, and this is the example in a propane 1 butane and the ethyl benzene. In ethyl benzene 1 C to the widely spreaded set fixed is the one, that is the one set of this side chain is sp3 hybridized carbon at the set downfield after the nearly 100 ppm gap due to the ring is a sp2 hybridized carbon. In generally, the found that the terminal CH2 group is absorbed the upfield than the internal double bond CH. The double bond effect only the slightly the shift of sp3 carbon in the molecule. The methyl signals of a propane is at 90 ppm and the propane is a 16 ppm. The empirical rules to calculate the position of absorption in acyclic olefin have been developed. So the appropriate substitution correlation are made to the value of a carbon in ethylene is a 123. Here is alpha beta and gamma represent the substituent on the same end of the double bond as the olefinic carbon, whose value is be calculated, while the alpha beta and gamma are the substituent on far side. And to predict the example, the chemical shift position of the alkyl carbon in 1-butane, and thus the use of a correlation are made, and thus the correlation are applied to the C13 chemical shift of ethylene is a delta 123.3. One calculate the value for the both the unusual rated carbon, so the of Z3 methyl to pentane, which show the good agreement with the observed value. Then third is the polar effect of a substituent on unsaturated carbon, means resonance effect. The benzene carbon atom absorbs at 128.5 ppm. The sp2 hybridized carbon atom in alkene and benzoyl hydrocarbon appear in the same general reason for the C13 NMR spectrum is again shown by the comparison of the C13 chemical shift in a benzene and the cyclohexane. The C13 chemical shift of a when olefinic and aromatic carbon are very useful to the identify the polar substituent. Unlike saturated carbon atom, the polar effect of a substituent on unsaturated carbon are longer ranging due to the resonance is a mesomeric effect. In addition to the inductive effect, the shift of a vinyl ethers can be related to the electron density of the contributing the structure. Thus, the methoxy group of a deshielded, the olefinic or the aromatic carbon to which the attach the other carbon of the double bond, as well as the carbon in ortho and para position to the methoxy group. Example is anisole 2. On the other hand, they are shielded due to the electronic donating ability to offer oxygen. Same effect explains the C13 chemical shift in case of alpha beta unsaturated ketone. One may note that the resonance structure also explains as a how to electron donation deshielded the beta carbon in alpha beta unsaturated ketone, while the electron donation reverse the effect in enol ethers. So the various C13 chemical shift in the C13 NMR of the N-butyl vinyl ether can be easily explained. So the effect of a substituent on the substituted carbon C1 on the monosubstituted benzene and the ortho para or meta carbon is a listed. The one can make the some general observation in benzene is a derivative and some of the other aromatic system with alkyl substituent is a toluene. One observe its major alpha effect on the ipso carbon. There is no protons on the ipso carbon, so therefore its relaxation time is much longer compared to the other carbon, and thus the intensity is generally lower when the conjugating substituent, example a nitro group, is attached to the benzene. The ring electron density is largely desubstituted on the aromatic ring and resonance position, and this the combined with the usual alpha beta and gamma effect leads to the distinct change in the resonance position compared to those in toluene. And pyridine and pyrrole have the typical C13 chemical shift position, which can be explained on the basis of the some resonating. So the firstly the consider the benzene is a C13 value is a 128.5, and the consider the toluene, the CH3 is attached to this carbon, so the value is a 137.5, and ortho position is a 128.9, meta position is a 128.1, and para position is a 125. 0.2. The value is a shielded due to the CH3 group is a donating effect. So NO2 NO2 is attached to the nitrobenzene. Considering the nitrobenzene example, the NO2 is attached to this carbon is value is a 148.3, and the ortho position value is a 123.4, and the meta position is a 120.5, and para position is a 130.7. In the pyridine, the is a pyridine in the nitrogen attached to this carbon is the value is a 150, then next carbon is a 123, and the last is a para-like carbon is a 130.5. And in pyrrole, so the pyrrole is a 5-member ring. In this, the pyrrole is a nitrogen is attached to the carbon is a 118 is a 118, and the next carbon is a 108. So the shift from the di and tri-substituted benzene ring carbon can be calculated via the substituted additivity. So for example, the chemical shift of the various carbon in 1-fluoro-2-nitrobenzene, as I calculate from the this principle. Okay, so for calculation the value recorded in the nearest ppm. Thank you.